I feel privileged to own a big house. Or I live in so small town where houses are not that expensive. Well, anyway, in my house there's one room dedicated for relaxing and entertainment. Now this is my home theater. Welcome. Here I'll show you my special room. Place where I can leave everything aside for a while and just be there. It can be listening music, watching movies or gaming, and it's quite affordable. This room has one couch, which can be set as a bed also. Dark blue curtains to block any outside light, and right next to the wall is parked gaming seat, for racing games obviously. And it can be easily moved into center of the room if feel like racing. Instead of TV, there's a projector. It's Epson Full HD projector. It's set to project 106-inch image which fits nicely to room dimensions. Speakers came with Samsung Blu Ray player. There are 5 speakers and a subwoofer, 3 speakers in front and 2 surround speakers at the back. And this Blu Ray player is still the main hub of this system. There is also PlayStation 4 and Apple TV 4K connected to this Blu Ray player, and projector of course. Original subwoofer was okay, but it was small and amplifier for it was similar. I did replace original subwoofer later with really proper one. That's SVS PB 2000. Now that is a monster. It's big and it goes low with power. So if you have similar small setup with small subwoofer and you want really low and powerful bass, and if you have possibility to use it, meaning no neighbors behind your wall, I recommend similar update. For center speaker, there's low table, so the picture can be set to low also. Sometimes you see setups where the picture is set to quite high. This can be uncomfortable for a longer time. I recommend to set picture more low than high in a way that bottom area of picture is below your eye line. Now there is another update in this setup that I made later. I added DSP for subwoofer. This improved the sound and phase clearly. Especially this room has 2 of its walls, concrete walls, and that has tendency to make its things to sound and how sound waves reflect in the room. And this one was very easy to set up and use, and really notable improvement. Now this is to also show that big screen home theaters can be affordable and that small updates can be done later, so the expenses at once are not that high. This setup, including later updates, biggest one of those price-wise was subwoofer, but total is roughly about 3,000 euros or US dollars. And if you like this video so far, please hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, consider subscribing now so you won't miss any upcoming videos, including later bigger update for this home theater, which is the next topic. So I'm planning bigger update for this space next. It would consist a proper AV receiver with latest technologies like Dolby Atmos. New main speakers, excluding subwoofer, that can stay, but also a new 4K projector. Could it be traditional long throw projector or short throw version? Or maybe something else? For this update project, I'll be hoping comments below from you guys. What would you do? But this is the ending for this episode. Write down below your comments if you found this video and what are your thoughts? What kind of home theater you have, or are you planning to set up one? And give some good ideas for update project. What kind of speakers? Interesting topic is AV receiver. Super interested to hear all comments. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.